Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you what is the security patch update details in the Realme GT Neo 3 and what is the Android iOS version out of the box in the Realme GT Neo 3 as well. And this is exactly the device which I did do just now unboxing video. And right now I'm going to show you exactly what is the software version the phone got released with the 12 Android 12 as you can see. And security patch details is of March 5th. Exactly, this is the security patch details the phone has got right now. Exactly, as you can see, friends, the haptic feedback is not that good when compared to the other Realme smartphones, but this kind of okay. And March month of security patch update, so maybe very soon we might be getting another update as well, I think. But right now the Realme UI 3.0 has been pre-installed in this device. That's kind of fantastic in the Realme GT Neo 3 smartphone. That's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check out the playlist of the Realme GT Neo 3 in case if you have other questions. The playlist will give all the answers for your Realme GT Neo 3 mobile phone. Meanwhile, signing off until then, stay tuned for more updates and bye.